We'd howl, ooh, ooh, ooh. We'd run about in summer in the nighttime and make no sound. Deep in the forest we get lost, whistle to the birds as they call. Go on trips, moving with the weather as it shifts. We took to the seas and let it drift. How many islands could we hit? Follow you to the end of the world if only you would let me to. On and on we go, my brother, I've got you. Nothing to stop us now because we found in life what's true. Oh, my brother, I'd follow you. Oh, 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 oh. Faded truck, shot across the country to find our love. The youth inside would scream and shout. Like a dagger in the heart, we ripped it out. We held on through the night, cold star by the fireside. Take to the sky, open up your eyes and see how far you get in just one day. Take to the sea and open up your heart and see how far you get atop this breeze. And it's a big old world we're living now, and how mighty it can be. And all this time I pictured you standing next to me, so we could go find things we'd never seen.